Welcome to our channel Essay Service USA. If you are a student or data professional looking to turn raw data into powerful insights or simply need assistance with your homework, you are in the right place. Today I am breaking down a clean real world ANOVA case study I solved for a service center handling electrical appliance repairs. If you ever need help with assignments or business analytics, this is exactly the type of work I deliver. So the problem setup, it was the service center had three technicians and three appliance manufacturers. Each technician repaired five appliances from each manufacturer, and we recorded how long each repair took. The goal to see whether technician, manufacturer, or their interaction significantly affects the service time. So before running ANOVA, we set clear hypotheses. As you can see in this portion, I have shown null hypothesis was all group means are equal, and alternative hypothesis was at least one group mean is different. We state these separately for technician and manufacturer. Then we performed one way ANOVA for each factor, uh, manufacturer versus service time and technician versus service time. Both p-values were greater than 0.5, 0.05 as you can see, meaning we failed to reject the null hypothesis in both cases. So individually neither technicians nor manufacturers saw a statistically significant difference in average service time. But that's not the end of the story. I visualized the interaction using a C1 point plot and then ran a two-way ANOVA. And here is the interesting part. The interaction effect between technician and manufacturer is highly significant. This means while technicians don't differ on average and manufacturers don't differ on average, certain set technician and manufacturer combinations are much faster or slower than others. That's where the hidden inefficiency was. About its business implications, for a business, this is powerful. It means you can optimize job allocation. For example, assign specific brands or models to the technicians who handle them fastest. This can cut total repair time, reduce backlog, improve customer satisfaction, and save operational costs, all without hiring any new staff. This is exactly why ANOVA is such a valuable tool in service operations and workforce optimization. If so, this solves our assignment. You know, all the 6 points have been solved. If you have any similar data analysis homework or any type of data analysis programming, essay writing, any other academic problem, feel free to reach out to me. I help students all over the world ace their grades. My contact details are given in the description box as well as below on the screen. So feel free to contact me if you need help with any academic problem. Thank you. Goodbye.